consider full stack developer as compared to front end or back end developer individually? Whom do you prefer? Good question. Basically, this is how normally we see it. Okay, a full stack developer being a lot of added value. Let's see, if I need to develop a functionality where I need to develop a front end, UI, and develop a back end, our programming logic there, using your Node.js or any other technology. Okay, and also I have to do a little bit of back end, in terms of database also, create a table, create a view or whatever it is. Okay, table structure, all this stuff. So I do not really want to bring in 3 people there, one for front end, one for middle tier, one for database. That means I am putting a lot of pressure on my HR, a lot of pressure on my team. I am bringing 3 people there. Okay, and it will get a lot of overhead in the organization, to the HR, to the infrastructure, to everybody here. So if I can bring in one person who has the flavor of all, the best thing will work out for everybody, even if it work out for you as well as the organization also, because that's when we work for full stack. That can bring a lot of value to the entire project in terms of their programming. Also, if you see a technical perspective, a person who is developing a front end, a person who is developing the middle tier and the back end, he have the complete understanding of the end-to-end part of it, and he can do a good job on that. But if you put a 3 persons there, they need to handshake each other, things will go here and there, and functionally it will end up with a lot of issues and bugs. So that also consumes more time to make them understand the entire thing end to end. If I put 1 person there, it will easy to handle the situation here. Okay, that's why normally we prefer as a normally full stack developer. This is actually a pain point perspective. Okay. Sometimes what happens is we get a front-end guy, we train them on full stack, because normally we do that. Okay, we get a back-end guy, we train them on front-end. So we kind of cross-training also that front actually. But at the same time, when I say full stack, it may happen that we cannot tell a customer that we have a MERN full stack, so give us a MERN project. Customer will say, no, my front-end is React, my backend is .NET. So now what will happen now? The person that we have here is MERN, right? He has done Node.js. We cross-train them. We tell whoever is willing to learn, we cross-train them. But only thing is you should be willing to learn. You should be open up, because you should not be limiting yourself with one of technology. You should be open to learn any technology, so that you can at least you will be more sellable and you have more knowledge on the technical field.